Good day, panelists. I am Jessa Mae A, one of the members of this research project. Allow me to introduce our project, entitled Online Bike Rental System for Country Use, the Vonvon Bike Shop. These are my co-members, Marilyn Malong and Vivian Parom. Let me tell you first what our system is all about. The study of online bike rental system for country use, Larry's Vonvon Bike Shop aims to improve the efficiency of a bike rental business through a business-to-consumer site that can manage its rental operations and transactions. Moreover, it is designed and built to serve as an alternative in digital processing and recording of bike rental-related transactions. Let's proceed to the statement of the problem. The first is how to design a system that will facilitate the management of bikes and customer information. All of the transactions from the user's interface are stored in the database. It is necessary to construct a database in order to acquire the information required by the company's financial statement to produce reports. By obtaining user information and details, it will help to develop reports based on the acquired information of rented bikes and payments. The second is how to design a transaction processing system that can monitor the transaction fees. The payment process can be speed up with cashless purchases. Anyone may save time and effort when paying. Third is how to provide a system that rewards customers with loyalty points. To show our appreciation for valued customers, we have included loyalty points as an additional features of the website. Fourth is how to provide a system that can generate a rental report for the owner. Real-time report generation will reduce the amount of time needed for manual data procedures. Lastly, how to provide a system that will manage the charges and penalties associated with customers renting bicycles. The system have provided terms and conditions about renting to our website. Let's explore the system. Assume we have already created an account and this will be the view of the user. This is our landing page. You can see here how it works, the popular bikes, our services, featured bikes, and the footer. On the bicycle page, all types of bicycle that can be rented are displayed here. Customers can rent bikes by clicking their desired bike. The name, description, price, date rent, arrival time, and hours of rent will need to fill before it will proceed to the cart. The bikes you want to rent will go to this page. This will be the confirmation page before you check out and pay the bike rent. If you change your mind or there is a mistake in your rental, you can change it by clicking the image to update some changes. If you want to remove unwanted rental, you can delete it. Now let's proceed to my account page. Here in my details, the user can see and change their personal information here. In my rental, the user can see the rental history.
In My Account settings, the user can change the password of their account. Customers who want to file for membership need to pay and upload the receipt to become a member, and to get some points by activating membership requests. And once your membership is activated, a "You've become a member" message will appear on this page. And for requests for reschedule, a form will be provided when you need or want to change the time and date of your rent. A form is needed to fill and submit in order to approve your request.
To know more about us, just go to the About page. It displays here the mission and the vision. It also includes some details that may help you in renting our website. If you want to connect with us, just go to the contact page. Connect with us through email, call or text, or you can personally visit the place. Just use the Google Map. Or you can also connect with us through our social media accounts.
Let's proceed to some important parts of our web page. Here is our administrator interface. The dashboard shows the total number of rent, user, and the total number of listed bikes. Rental, which all rented bikes of the customer is stored, including the details of rented bikes. It contains three sections, which is the approved, ongoing, and completed, to monitor all the customers' rental. The approved status, where the rental is automatically approved after renting bikes. Second is ongoing. If the customer chooses to pay over the counter, the rental is not be completed once the customer is not yet paid for that rental. And lastly is the completion of the rental. Once the customer done riding bike and return to the shop, the rental will be completed. Generate reports. Display all the summary of sales, inventory, and reservation of rented bikes that can be print reports. Inventory, where the administrator can manage all the bikes by adding and updating bikes information. and the membership where all the customer information is being managed by the administrator by updating the status.
As survey participants, students and bikers tested the functionality, reliability, usability, and efficiency of the web application. The total assessment result is 3.8, indicating that the outcome has the greatest rating. In conclusion, the results were able to improve the system based on feedback from users who tested the system. The developers immediately resolved the problems and errors that were reported during the trial.